Just wanted to share some thoughts on the front end. FT817OS is a front end to the library that I'm writing. It's actually secondary. It's the only way to visually demonstrate the library itself. If you wanted to look at the inner workings of the library, you could find them on CPAN. Right now it is still showing version 10. I have a change log, so you can see the revisions that were done. You can see that revision 10 was quite extensive. Revision 11 should be up in a couple hours. It has even more features. If you want to take a look at the source code that is the actual back end, we'll also show you how to use FT817. I'm sorry. You can actually look at the documentation. It's quite extensive, but it does show everything. This is actually what the project is. FT817OS I simply made as a means to be able to check my data. It kind of grew, and I added some features. Here's a list of all of the functions. You'll be able to find them there. Within FT817OS, as you can see, things are getting crowded. These are the get commands, and these are the set commands. I'm looking at doing it more directory based. I'm going to divide up the cat commands into the actual cat commands that Yaesu supports, and by turning write enable on, will give you all of the extra commands that get and set the EEPROM. My last video didn't show that the memvfo is revamped again, and I'm looking at doing a directory-based structure here at the prompt. So you could be in this prompt, and with write enable, you would have the £, but then it would also be you could go to mem, and then it would give it would be a hierarchy, so everything wouldn't be crammed all in one place. I'll show you though that readmemvfo now has a couple of added capabilities, such as if you typed in something wrong, it will tell you which options are available. Another ability was added. You can not type an option, and instead of providing an output, it will provide a hash. The hash, which is also displayed if verbose is on, shows everything, and this encompasses all of the VFO memory for VFO-A at 160 meter band. These are all done by offsets that you can find within the source code itself. Shows you what these offsets are. I'll also provide a Clint's website where I get all of my information from the EEPROM, or about EEPROM information. Also wanted to point out one thing that I forgot to mention is that I finally got rid of RF toggle, RF gain toggle. It's been replaced with get RF knob, and the reason I did that is because I now have, it was one of my earlier functions, so it wasn't well written, but now there's actually a set RF knob and allows RF gainer squelch. If you're already on one of those options, it will no longer update the EEPROM. It'll just let you know that that's the option that you're on. And these are some of the updates I wanted to provide. The front end, which is FT817OS, this is going to be revamped into a structure that's more manageable. I keep adding commands, and as I get commands added, it gets longer and longer.